Hi, my name is Alexandra Hall, and this is my TLAP 2 ELL Parental Outreach and ESOL Sources. So for my needs assessment, I interviewed my friend Ileana, who is from Puerto Rico. She has lived in the United States for most of her adult life, but she did attend grade school in Puerto Rico. And she has two kids who are 6 and 8, and they are in first and third grade. I met her when our 6-year-olds were in VPK together. Um, And unfortunately for me and for this report, the schools in Puerto Rico are very, very similar to the schools here. So there wasn't a whole lot that she needed from me. Um, so the main thing was just the language barriers, because even though she's lived here for so long, she still is much stronger in Spanish than she is in English, and she comprehends things a lot better when they're in Spanish. So the focus I was going to take for this was um, the language aspect of everything and translating everything for her. So on the left is my calendar. In it, I've included Labor Day as my holiday because with my last name, my month was September, and there's not a whole lot going on in September. That's on September 2nd. September 5th, there's open house for first and third grades, which are both the grades that her kids are in. So I included that in a description for what it is. It's the day to meet your children's teachers, see the work they've done, ask any questions, even though she probably knows that. I included a date that progress reports are sent home. And there was a fundraiser in September, so I included the date that that fundraiser ended. And also the fact that if you sell 20 items, the kids are going to ride in a limousine that has a chicken on it. So I wanted to include that just to make sure she was aware of that so her kids didn't miss out if she wanted to try to get them to meet that goal. And then I also included the day for yearbook photos. And then there's also a spirit night on September 25th. I included the flyer for that over here on the right. And then I translated the flyer for her. The spirit night was a event at Mod Pizza where 20% of the bill would get donated to Bartram Springs. And then also there was a field trip in September for third graders, which is the grade that her daughter's in. So I included that on there. I also included the summer meals program. She doesn't really need it at this point, but I wanted to make her aware of it because it's something that in Puerto Rico, free meals were kind of a normal thing over there for students. So I wanted to include that program, a flyer for that program, just to let her know that that was something that she had access to if she needed it. And so I included that flyer and translated it for her. I also included a field trip form. Since her daughter is going to be going on a field trip, I translated that for her. And then just a bunch of the different links, the Duval County Public Schools links, the community resources. I did resources for English language learning, since that's definitely a thing that she would benefit from. There's an online English language learning program, so I included that since she has kids and a family. She may not have the time to go out somewhere. And then I translated all of that into Spanish for her. Also, she expressed a desire to finish her high school diploma. She just failed a test or something that made it to where she didn't get her diploma. And so she just has tests that she needs to take to receive her diploma. It won't even be her GED. It'll actually be a high school diploma. So I gave her a link to a resource that'll tutor her for those tests. And then also her daughter's struggling in reading and with her focus in school. So I gave her a link to Brain Balance, which is a resource that could help her daughter. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed my parental resource package. It wasn't super full of stuff because of how similar the schools are, but I think I got, with the little bit of things that she needed help with, I think I got a lot of stuff in there to help Ileana. Thank you guys.